Igara boiga samangana alingete yobo jona boigo na mangane chinyageta alikase county ya Nyamira. Enkendu ya Nyamira ejubonere Nyamira Rufaa mochari niko bono yasie kirwa segeka. Yengo botikana nokwe murungania kwa bere kobo aso bokorre kurase mochari ejose enkendu ya Nyamira aso gotebekana buna bokorre mbura abo kolekana senchire bwendere kolengana no muwaziri oteneta mangane yobo chino se county ya Nyamira Dr. Dimotombati. Niko banatebire enkende yo erasie kwasegeka kubwatika nogo chikoronge yobo korri bwenseme yo na konyara kobeka magachamajya erikonyara kurobo korri bwisaine mebere bonsi yose mebere yonsi kurwase nyagetali ya Nyamira bono nige korusi worona kugachwa bwomboga abwase bono bali babwate mebere nyagetali ya Nyamira babori wekaneke koliye mebere yabo so koje mebere yabo kurwase nyagetali ya bwomboga no bono mebere yera chikogachwa unatokumanyigwa no muteneri bobo so muwaziri bobo cheno kurwase county ya Nyamira.
I mean, we've been receiving a lot of complaints about our mortuary, and that has affected, you know, sometimes the services that we offer for this week. I think probably from this week, Monday, bodies hazijakuwa zikiwekwa huko kwa mortuary yetu ya Nyamira Hospital. Instead, we signed an agreement between us and Womboga. We call it Kinara Hospital, where we are now taking the bodies for preservation. And if the body, we have a body at the hospital, we transport it from the hospital to Kinara for preservation. And starting this week, we started preparing to come to site, and from next week, they will come and advise on what is supposed to be done. Then kubomolewa kutaanza, and the mortuary renovation will officially start. Mortuary, and we also renovate the road from the mortuary through KMTC paka huko chini, so that we don't have a new mortuary na ile barabara ibaki kuwa vile imeharibika hivyo. Besides that, we also have the renovations that have been ongoing. Kama mtatembea huko hospitali, tulianza na casualty, and now we've moved to the female male ward. We will move now to the pediatric ward and maternity. We shall complete the renovations that have been happening so that our hospital